Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ifia. I'm the owner of M.A.Dkollection. We're going to be doing a different type of video today. So it's going to be a DIY African map sweatshirts kind of video. So when we first started doing the African map sweatshirt, it used to be like a printed design like what I'm currently wearing. But over time, we've made changes to making it the patch fabric sewn together and then stitched onto the sweatshirts or jumpers, and we do it for both adults and kids. It does take a lot of time to get done, but it is really beautiful when it comes out at the end. So I've got a few orders that I'm going to be sending out, so I'll kind of show you what I'm doing. I'm also going to be wearing some and shooting it just so you can see how it turns out. Okay, so when it gets pinned on, just ignore how it looks right now. I did tend to iron it before I send it out, so that's what it looks like at the minute. So this will all get sewn on and is nicely pressed, and then done, it looks something like this. Obviously, because it's patched fabrics all together, like they always have like different fabrics all mixed on it, so it looks this good, I mean, compared to what I'm wearing. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how this gets done and let me know what you think about it. First things first, I've got a few orders I need to send out. I'm just going to send them to print first, and I've also got a meeting in like 10 minutes time, so I'm just trying to see how much I can get done before I wrap up here for today. I've been here since many hours ago, and then I've got some things on my sewing machine that I need to adjust, so I'll put this on the side because this needs to go today. I have got my diary of things I need to get done today, and it's not even looking like much has been done yet, so let's get to it guys. Okay, so I found the one I want to use for this shirt. So this customer ordered a size medium, and we've got the map like this. So this is how the map will look. We've got different sizes. Obviously, the bigger the sweatshirt, the bigger we want this to be. So it's not like minute, like really tiny on the shirt. We need it to like be just as big as a shirt. So we've got different sizes. This is the size small / medium, obviously, because it's a size medium shirt. So this is just what it looks like. So when we are selecting like the ones to use for a particular design, we tend to look for something that will look good on that sweatshirt. So just looking at both of them, you can see like they've got like different patterns on or prints on, which is the whole aim of doing this like this, rather than just printing it on where it's just one particular design and that's it. So I'm going to be using that one because it's got a, well, they've got a touch of orange, so any of them will be fine. So I'll put that on, move this away, and the Madagascar looks something like this. Find the center point. Okay, so I've just put that up close. Hopefully you can kind of see it better than before. So that's what it looks like, and this is where the Madagascar would be, and I will start to pin it in place. Okay, so that's what it looks like now that I have pinned it. I'll just need to take this to my sewing machine and get this sewn all the way around and including that. So this is like very good quality sweatshirt. Obviously you can see how the inside looks. It's very woolly and it's really nice and warm. Like this one I'm currently wearing, I can literally like wear this out without like a jacket on because it's that warm. So that's what it looks like. I'm just going to get it sewn and then show you what the finished product looks like. I've got a few more that customers have ordered which I would need to get sewn, so I'll just show you that bit. Okay, so I'm just going to change the thread to match the first color I am making. I've got a box full of sweatshirts, which I'm going to show you later, that would need doing, but I just need to do this ones just for the purpose of this video. And try to make sure the threads always match the sweatshirts, just so it comes out well. So when you order the sweatshirt, just know that I made it myself. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Now that I have finished it, I'll just need to put our label tag on, give it a nice press, and it's ready to go to its new home. I've also got the yellow one, which I also need to do, so I also need to change the thread and get that done, and then I'll wear it and show you what it actually looks like when it's all ready to go. Okay, so I've got like this big stack of sweatshirt that needs doing. Got the maps hanging on here, and I've got the Madagascar in the back there. So I will get through this at some points, but in the meantime, I would finish the orders. I've got to send that today, and I would also try some on just to show you what the end product looks like. Okay guys, so I have just finished. I thought I was recording before, but clearly not. So I've just finished ironing that one, nicely folded, and I've also done the yellow one as well, also nicely folded. So I just need to get them packed to go to where they need to go to, and I'll get the rest done after. But just for the purpose of this video, I have just done just a few of them. Right, okay guys, so I have just done 2 of the many orders we have to send for the sweatshirts. Like I showed you, I've got a pile here that I'll need to get sorted, and I'll also try them on just so you can see how it turns out. Okay guys, so today's the second day, so I'm going to be styling the sweatshirts that we currently have in stock. So we've got a few colors. We've got both sweatshirts and jumpers. And these are the colors. We've got white and grey and black and yellow and burgundy and orange. So I'm going to be trying them on so you can see how it fits. I would also let you know what size I'm wearing. So this is a size extra large in the orange color. This is what the extra large looks like. I would usually wear a size large if I want it to be a bit free like it is now. This is an extra large, and yeah, the fabric quality is very good. Like you can see the woolish inside, nice and warm, very good quality, and that's what the orange looks like. Next off is the burgundy. Okay, so this is the burgundy, and this is a size XXL. I know they all like still fits well on me, and that's what it looks like. Nice and free, very good quality. And the next color is the yellow one. Okay, so that's what the yellow looks like, and this is a size extra large for this yellow one. Very good quality again. I keep saying very good quality, but yeah, very good quality. It's all been sewn on nicely, and it's really nice and warm with this one. Next one is the white one. Okay, so that's how the white one looks. It's a bit fitted. So if you want your sweatshirt to be a bit more baggy, obviously you might want to size up, or just, it's quite loose fit to be fair. It's just, this is taking up quite a lot of space. If not, you can see like the top part is a bit loose fit. So that's what the size large looks like. So the next one is the black one. And okay, so this is the black one. This is what it looks like. I absolutely love this one. I love the fit. I've got an appointment like in an hour and a half ish, so I will probably be wearing this. So this is what the size large looks like on me. So the last one is this charcoal one, and this is how it fits. Okay, so this is the charcoal one, and this is how it fits. And this is a size large. So I've worn 3 different sizes today. I've worn a size large, extra large, and a double XL. And they all fit nicely. So I've showed 6 colors today of the sweatshirt. We've also got the same in the hoodies. So let me know which of the 6 colors, which of them is your favorite. So we've got the yellow, burgundy, white, black, charcoal, and orange. So let me know in the comment section down below which one is your favorite. And if you want any of these sweatshirts or hoodies, they're all available on our website, M.A.Dkollection, collection.com. We have both sizes for adults and for kids. So if you want to match with the rest of your family, you know where to get matching sweatshirts on our website. I will catch you guys in the next one. If you've enjoyed the content of this video, please give it a like, thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and turn on the bell notification also when I post any upcoming videos, you'd know. If you've got any questions or comments, leave that in the comment section down below. I will leave the links to all of the sweatshirts I've worn today and a link to my website in the description box down below, so make sure to check it out and get something for yourself and for your family and friends. And I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.